How to uninstall the SoloLearn app from iOS. Do you want to uninstall the SoloLearn app from your iPhone? Here's how to uninstall SoloLearn quickly on your iPhone device. First, find the SoloLearn app icon on your home screen. Tap and hold the icon until it starts wiggling. Then tap the X or the Remove App option that appears. Confirm by selecting Delete App and the app will be removed. You can also uninstall via Settings, then go into General and iPhone Storage. Here find SoloLearn and tap it, then choose Delete App. Deleting the app won't delete your SoloLearn account, so your data stays safe online. Do you uninstall apps often? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's how you can uninstall the SoloLearn app from iOS. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.